so you can see.
Good morning. On the line with us, we've got Jennifer Geaber with RIBlogger.com, and Jen's here to tell us about the top 5 events here in Rhode Island. We've got a spectacular lineup this fall. Jen, thanks for being here with us.
Thanks for having me.
You're very welcome. It's a pleasure.
So you can have a weekend of old-fashioned family fun at Confreda's farm. Pick your own pumpkin, try the corn maze, visit the animal barnyard, and I saw that there's baby pigs. There'll be 5 different concession stands, so come hungry. There'll be a giant slide, train rides for kids only. Sadly, grown-ups can't get on there. A fun park, tractor hay rides, and Marshall and Rocky from Paw Patrol. And it's open every weekend in October, weather permitting, so you've got a few more weekends to try that out.
Mm-hmm.
This, it seems early to talk about this, but Sunday, October 21st is the 13th annual Toys for Tots fundraiser, and it kind of struck me because I feel like you don't really start thinking about those sort of things until, November, but now is the time to really get a head start on that. So that's at West Warwick High School from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. There's a breakfast, a walkathon, and a toy drive to benefit the Sergeant Brian St. Germain Foundation, as well as Toys for Tots. There'll also be crafters, the walkathon, and a chance to drop off new unwrapped toys. So it's a great cause, and like I said, now is a good time to start thinking about those things.
Wow.
$8 per person and $20 for a family of 3 or more. October 21st is the Health Fair concert at the Met from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. Tune In and Tune Up is putting together their incredible concert event as well as a free health and wellness fair to draw attention to Rhode Island musicians' health awareness programs. The event is at the Met and the Hope Artist Village, so it's a great lineup of musicians, and the show itself is $15 in advance and $20 at the door, so you can save a little money getting your tickets in advance.
Mm-hmm.
The annual Halloween Spooktacular will take place 6 to 8 p.m. On October 26th at the Community Center in Coventry. All ages are invited to this free family event. You can walk your way through an inflatable corn maze, watch the Halloween lights display, obviously wear your costume, enjoy the blacklight sensory path, and fill a trick-or-treat bag with goodies. There'll be music, crafts, games, and fun for all. And last but not least, this is kind of aimed at the littler of your family members. The Kaleidoscope Theater presents Happy Halloween House on October 27th from 1 to 5 p.m., but it's a fun and non-scary event. It's ideal for the littles. Dress up, meet, and interact with fairy tale characters, walk through the fairy tale land, and bring a non-perishable food item to donate to Granny's House, which will eventually go to the Rhode Island Food Bank. Advance tickets are $10 each, and they're available until midnight of the night before the event. And I think that they're a little bit more at the door.
Nice. And they can check it all out at RIBlogger.com.
What's going on?